I have had my ONSON vacuum for about a week and I am in love with it. It comes with two different heads, one for floors, like tile floors, hardwood floors, so I'm using it on my nice waterproof floors here. It's pretty quiet. That's the slow setting. You can crank it up just to another setting so it gets a little bit more section. But even on the slow setting, I'm going to show you this really quick. Even on the slow setting, I strew some oats on the floor so you can see. Like, it picks it up. It is awesome. I can still use this on the carpet. It will still do suction on the carpet, but the other bristle is much better for that. I love that it has, I can hook it up on the wall and charge it, and it has this attachment so I can take the head off. I can use this in my car. It has this little bristle here, but if you pull it down, then I can use this tip right here to get into those hard reach places in my car, behind the couch, stuff like that. But then I don't lose this, so it's super cool. The battery's been awesome on it. I am totally happy with this. I would definitely purchase this again.